Hello everyone. Today I'm delighted to share with you some exciting news about a new project that Animal Free Research UK is funding. We are developing a new test that will tell hospitals whether someone is infectious with COVID-19. The test works by detecting how much active coronavirus there is in an infected person, known as viral load. The current test only tells hospital staff if someone has the virus, not if they're infectious. The test my team is developing measures both inactive and active or infectious virus. So doctors can tell not only whether someone is carrying virus that's infectious, but also how much. This is significant because it could help our NHS frontline workers know when they are safe to return to work, and help patients return to care homes safely and more quickly, freeing up beds for others that need them. Every component of our research is, of course, animal-free. We believe our new test will protect the NHS and save animal and human lives. Please join me and Animal Free Research UK by supporting this life-saving research. Thank you.